Hello everyone, we are again here with a very interesting topic called spatial aptitude. This spatial word comes from the word space. It means we will talk about figures in this aptitude. These are some subtopics we are going to learn in this topic. Mirroring means mirror image. Now the mirror can be positioned vertically like this or horizontally like this. If something is given on this side, like any figure or any number, or this side, we have to figure out what will be the mirror image of this figure or the number here also, right? And in paper folding and cutting, in paper folding there would be a transparent sheet like this, and now we are going to fold it like this, and suppose this is written in this transparent sheet. So what will be the image after folding? It will be like this, A, and mirror image of this here. As it is a transparent sheet, so this A will also be appear, so it will be the final answer. In cutting and in other topics also, we are going to learn about figures. So let me start with mirroring. Let's see the first question. Choose the alternative which is closely resembles the mirror image of the given combination. We have to find out the mirror image of this combination. So suppose mirror is here. If nothing is given, you have to always assume that mirror is vertical. So in this type of question, first of all, you should see whatever the closest to the mirror will be closest to the mirror. Whatever the closest to the mirror will be closest to the mirror, right? It means the mirror image will start from this 2 and end in A. This will not be the answer. It is starting from A. It is starting from 1. This will not be the answer. It is ending on 1. This will not be the answer. So 2 is the answer. You can directly tell, right? So always remember, mirror image will start from this end letter. Start from end letter and end on this starting one. Okay, I am talking about vertical mirror image. Question number 2, we have to find out the mirror image of this Malayalam. So it will start from M and end on M. This could be the answer. This could be the answer. This could be the answer. This could not be the answer because it is vertical mirror image and M will not be upside down. So this is wrong. In this option also, L is upside down. This is also wrong. In this option, L is same as the original image. So this is not the answer. This will be the final answer. Or you can find out your own mirror image, then match with the option like Malayalam. M, mirror image of M will be like this. A, what is the mirror image of L? It will be like this. A, mirror image of Y, it will be like this. A, L, A, M. So it will be the final mirror image. This resembles with option 2. Next question. Informations. It will start from S. A is not the answer. This is not the answer. These should be the answer. In this option, M is upside down. This is not the answer. C is the answer. Terminate. First of all, it will start from E. This is wrong. M is upside down. This is also wrong. In this option, this E is not mirrored. This is also wrong. C is the answer. Next question. Now you have to find out the mirror image of a figure. Okay. So always remember, whatever in this image in upper half will be in the upper half and in lower half will be in the lower half. So these could not be the answer because this thing is in the upper half and in question it is in the lower half. Now we can see these two options. These options are same. So these are the answer. There is some mistake in this example. These options are same. So it is the answer. In this question, this option is same. It will not be the answer. Now you have to see, this is upper half. This black dot will be here. This could be the answer. This could be the answer. This is wrong, right? And this thing is in the lower half, but in this option it is in the upper half. So this is not the answer. C is the answer. Next question. This question is given in the sample question of GATE syllabus. So you have to find out the mirror image. So first of all, these both should be in the lower half. So they are in the this. Okay. And you have to see, this should be the closest to the mirror. So these both should be here. This is not the answer. This should not be the answer. These both could be the answer. Now, what is the difference in these both? Orientation of this. What is the orientation of this? Anti-clockwise. So in mirror image, it will be clockwise. Option D, it is like this. It is also anti-clockwise. C is the answer. This is clockwise. Question number 8. Looking into mirror, the clock shows 9:30 as the time. The actual time is. Okay, it means in the mirror image, the clock shows, this is the clock, it shows 9:30. It means it will be here, like this. What is the actual time? So what will be the mirror image of this? This would be here only, and this would be like this. So answer could be 2:30. This is 9:30, and this will be 2:30. A is the answer. But you can directly calculate without doing this. Just subtract it from 1160. You will get the time of the mirror image. It is only applicable when the time is given except from 11 to 1. When the time is given 11 to 1, you have to subtract it from 2360. Right, next question. By looking into mirror, it appears that it is 6:30 in the clock. Okay, so 1160 minus 6:30, it will be 5:30. This is the answer. Question number 10. Mirror image shows 12:15. It is 12:15. So we have to subtract it from 2360. It is 45, 11. 11:45 is the answer. Now get 2016 question. 2.25 hours back. 2.25 hours back. When seen in a mirror, the reflection of a wall clock without number marking seems to show 1:30. In the reflection, the time is 1:30. Okay, what is the actual current time shown by the clock? So first of all, subtract it from 1160. It will be 10:30. But this time, this 10:30 was 2.25 hours back. So what is the current time? You have to add this time in this time. So what will the current time? 12:45. This is your answer. Very easy question. You just need to remember this thing. Next question of gate. The mirror image of the object about the x-axis. You have to find out the mirror image about the x-axis. In this type of question, the mirror image will start from the same letter and it will be upside down. So this is not the answer. HP is the same. This is upside down, okay, but this is upside down and also mirrored. So this is not the answer. D could be the answer. So what is the difference between B and D? It is same. S is different. In option D, S is the original as it is given. So B is the final answer. Okay, next question. Mirror image about the x-axis. Let me eliminate some options. One is wrong as E is mirrored vertically. Now to ease the calculation, I am just spotting the difference between these options. T is same, R is same, I is same, A is same, N is not mirrored in this question. This is not the answer. Now this thing is different in this option. G is upside down and also mirrored. So this is not the answer. B will be the final answer. Now let's move to another topic. Paper folding. The first question. In this, it is a transparent sheet and it is folded by like this, because in the answers this is blank. This means it was folded like this, right? So first of all, always remember this image which is not folded will be present for sure. So in the first option, this image is not present, right? This is wrong, and this also it is not present. C could be the answer as it is present here. In D also it is not present, so C is the answer. And if you want to see it in detail, the image is like this. So you can see this thing and this thing is symmetric. So after folding, it will be like this only. Because it was symmetric, it will be overlapped. And only this curved thing was remaining. It will be like this. C is the answer. Next question. In this question, the folding is done like this. So this part of S will be remain like this. A is wrong. This is also wrong because the question is not symmetric. So the lower half will not be overlapped. Now you have to identify whether this will be the answer or this. So you can see this will not be the answer. This is the answer as S is like this. And now you have to fold it. And now what is the image of lower half? It will be like this. So this is the answer. In the question number 16, folding will be like this. So this could be the answer. It is not the answer as this triangle is upside down. This will not be the answer. Okay, this is wrong because when we fold it, this thing will be mirrored, but in this option it is same as the original image. So this is the answer. It will not be upside down, but it will be mirrored. This is right, this is wrong. So this is the answer. Next question. Okay, this is a question of paper cutting. We will get back on this question after paper cutting topic. Question number 18. You have to fold it like this. This is wrong. This could be the answer. As you can see, here it is like this and in this direction. In this also, this like this and in this direction. This will not be the answer as the mirror image of this will be like this and like this. This will be the answer. This is also wrong. Question number 19. Folding is done in this direction. We have to just find out the mirror image of this and this. So what will be the mirror image of these? Like this and this. So what is the answer? C is the answer. These are the questions of gate. You just need to find out the mirror image of this sheet, okay, which is being folded, and this will also be present here. So what will be the final image? This will be the final image. Next question. Consider two rectangular sheets, C10 and C10 of dimensions 6 cm by 4 cm each. Folding operation 1. The sheet is folded into half by joining the short edge of the current shape. Suppose this is M and this is N. This edge is 4 and this is 6. Okay. In first folding, we have to make the short edges. So it will be like this. This will be 4 and this is 3. And in operation 2, the sheet is folded into half by joining the long edge. It means these edges will be folded. It will be 2 and it will be 6. Okay. And folding operation 1 is carried out on C10 3 times. Okay. First time, in second time also, this edge will be half. So it is 4 and 3 by 2. And third time, it will be 4 and it is 3 by 4. Folding operation 2 is carried out on sheet N 3 times. This is first time. In second time, this will be 1, it will be 6. In third time, this will be half and it will be 6. So these are the final image of M and N. The ratio of perimeters of the final folded shape of sheet N to the final folded shape of sheet M. So what is the perimeter of this? 6 plus 6 plus half plus half. So what it is? 6 plus 6 12 plus 1 13 equal to 13. What is the perimeter of this? 4 plus 4 8 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 3 by 2. It will be 19 by 2 means 9.5. What is the final answer? 13 is to 9.5, or you can say 26 is to 9, which is not the option. So gate aspirants in this question might have got bonus mark. Next question. Consider a square sheet of side 1 unit. Okay. This is a square sheet of side 1. The sheet is first folded along the main diagonal. This is the diagonal. It will be √2, and now we have like this because it is folded. √2, 1 and 1. Okay. This is followed by a fold along with the line of symmetry. This is the line of symmetry. So it will be folded like this. This is 1. This is half of √2. This line will be overlapped and this is also half of √2. I am just enlarging it. It will be like this. 1 by √2 and 1 by √2. Now the resulting folded shape is again folded along its line of symmetry. So what will be the line of symmetry of this? This. So it is again folded like this. It will be half. It will be 1 by √2, and this would be the height of this triangle. What is this height? As this is 1 by 2, this is 1 by √2, and this is a right angle triangle. We can use Pythagoras here. 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 4 plus height square. Height will be 1 by 2. Now we have to find out the area of each face. So what is the area? Half into base into height. This is base and this is height, 1 by 2. So area is 1 by 8. This is the answer. Now move to paper cutting. Paper cutting. In this, there will be a sheet of paper and that will be folded 1 time, 2 time or 3 time like this. Now some cuts will be performed. And then we will open this paper sheet like this, and we have to identify how the sheet will be look like after unfolding. You have to remember, whenever you are unfolding the sheet, it will be unfolded first as it was folded last. Right? You can also see here, you have to unfold it in the direction in which it was folded last. And so on. So let's move to the question number 22. There is a paper sheet of X, it is folded in this direction, then we get a shape Y. Then this shape Y is folded in this direction and we get the shape Z. And this Z is now cut in this circle and this triangle. This is the Z. Circle is here and triangle is here. Now first of all, you have to unfold it like this. So this circle would be here also, but this triangle would be here only, because in this folding, this folded part was here. So this circle would be here, but triangle is here only. And then you have to unfold it like this. It will be like this. So what is the answer? 4 circles here, but this is not the answer. So C is the answer. 4 circles in the middle and 2 triangles. In question number 23, first it is folded like this and this cut is performed. So you have to unfold like this first. So we will get the mirror image of this here, right? So in the answer figure, this corner will be like this only. So this option is wrong, as this figure is wrong. This option is also wrong. This option is also wrong. This is only the right figure. First of all, here will be the mirror image. Then it will be folded like this and you will get the mirror image of these both. Next question. Question number 24. P paper sheet is folded in the X form. In this direction it means it will be like this, and here also in this direction means it will be like this. And then in Z it is folded like this, and then this cut is performed. So first of all, it will be unfolded like this. So this cut was here. When it was unfolded, this cut will be here, right? And then it will be unfolded like this. This cut will be like this, and then it will also be unfolded. So this cut will be like this. So these will be the answer. These cuts will be there. 4 is the answer. Question number 25. These 2 cuts are here. It was last folded like this. So it will be open like this. So this cut will be here and this will be here, right? And then this complete will be folded like this. It will be like this. 2 circles are here, 2 here, 2 here and 2 here. This is the answer. In these type of questions, you just need to visualize how you are going to unfold it after cutting the paper. Like in this question, it was first folded like this, then this fold, and then this fold, and these 2 cuts are performed. So first of all, it will be unfolded like this. So this cut will be here, then it will be unfolded like this. So these cuts will be here. Now the mirror image of this whole. 2 is the answer. Now try to solve this question number 27. This is the final sheet. Cuts are here. So it will be open first like this. And this will be completed, and this one would be here. Then it will be unfolded like this. So this will be completed and this will also be completed. This is the answer. These 2 cuts are here. These both are completed, and this is also a complete figure. Option 4 is the final answer. This will not be the answer because this is not completed, and this also this is not completed. In this there are no cut here. 4 is the final answer. Now let's move to the question number 17. It was a GATE 2021 question. This circular sheet is first folded like this, and then this. Then this cut was made. So first of all, we have to unfold it like this. So what is the mirror image of this? This and this, right? Then it will be unfolded like this. So mirror image of this complete will be like this. Very easy question. It would be A. Now the next topic, next figure, odd man out or rotation based shape. In these type of question, we have to identify what would be the next figure. A is like this, B like this, C like this, D like this, E like this, and what would be the F figure. Okay, So we have to identify which one of these will be the F figure. So first of all, I am taking this thing. This is being converted here. It means the change of 90 degree. Then from this, it is changed like this. It means 45 degree. Now this thing is being changed like this. It means again 90 degree. Now again 45 degree. It means in the F figure, it will be like this, 90 degree. So this could be the answer. This could be the answer. This could be the answer. These both options are wrong. Now see this. This is shifted here and also in the upward direction, means it is shifting and rotating by 180 degree. So you have to perform two things here. Now it is shifted from here and rotated 180. Now this shifted one step further and again rotated. In this also shifted and rotated. So in the answer figure, it will be here and rotated like this. So what is the answer figure? This is the answer, because in this it is in the wrong direction and this also it is wrong. So A is the final answer. Question number 29. From this to this, they change their position and their size. In this also, they change their position and their size. So what will be the next figure? L will be here and this thing will be here and it will be large one. This is wrong. L should not be mirrored. This could be the answer, but this is upside down. This would not be the answer. This is not the answer, obviously. This is not the answer. They did not change their position. This would be the answer. Now question number 30. In A figure, there are all dots. In B, one cross and one dot is disappeared. In C, two cross, two dots are disappeared. In D, three cross and three dots are disappeared. Now 4 cross, 4 dots are disappeared. So first of all, 5 cross would be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this could be the answer. 4 cross, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This could be the answer. 4 cross are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These three could be the answer. Now 5 dots should have been disappeared. First, second, 3, 4. So this is not the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This could be the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is not the answer. So 3 is the answer. You just need to see the pattern, what pattern is being followed, and then you have to apply this in the answer also. Next question. In figure A, half is here and now this one complete added. Okay, the change of here to here is 1. In this was here, but 1 and half is added. 1.5 is added. Now till this it was here. Now this one and this 0.5 plus 0.5 means 1 is added. Again 1.5 is added. A to B 1 added. B to C 1.5. Here 1, here 1.5. Now we have to add 1. It will be like this. A is the answer. Now question number 32. You can see from A figure to B figure, it is just a mirror image. B is the mirror image of A, or you can say from A to B, it is flip of 180 degree upward, right? Now from B to C, it is first was rotated by 90 degree like this, 90 degree, then flipped 180 degree, right? And C to D just flipped by 180 degree. Okay, and D to E again, first it is rotated by 90 degree, then it is flipped. This is the same. So now this thing will be flipped in the next figure. So what will be the answer? A is the answer as it is flipped with this figure. And this will not be the answer, this will not be the answer, this will not be the answer. What is the difference between A and 5? I don't see any difference here. So I think there is some mistake. A and 5, these both are answers. Next question. In these questions, you have to find out odd man out. Means what figure is different from others. Okay. Like in question number 33, this is a square, means have 4 sides and having 4 dots. Okay. This is also a 4-side figure having 4 dots. This is a figure with 5 sides having 5 dots. This figure has 4 sides, 1, 2, 3 and 4, but have only 3 dots. So I think this is different. So you have to find out the different one. Now in 34, this have 4 sides. This also have 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, but this has 3 sides. This will be the answer. Now in this 35 question, figure is the same. So you have to find out this shaded part. It's in the right direction. Here it is in the left. Here it is in the left. In this it was right, left, left, and in this option it is left. So this is odd man out. A is the answer. Question number 36. The sign plus, multiplication, equal and subtraction. Okay, plus, multiplication, equal and subtraction. The order is same, but here it is anti-clockwise, and here plus, multiplication, equal and subtraction, this is clockwise. Orientation is different. These all are clockwise and these such anti-clockwise. So this is the answer. Now question number 37. How many vertical lines are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is also 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3. But here are 2. Here 1, 2, 3. These are 3. I think this will be the answer. Here also we can check. These are 2 lines. Horizontal and vertical lines are same. But in this, these are not same. So this is the answer. Very easy question. You just need to identify which one is different. Okay. Now question number 38. How many arrows are here? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3 and 2. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. So I think this is not the pattern. Okay. In these 3, there are 5 arrows. But in this, 6 arrows are here. So I think this one is different. Now question number 39. These shaded parts are vertically opposite. This is also vertically opposite. In this also, these are vertically opposite. In this, these are not vertically opposite. So this is the answer. In this also, these are vertically opposite. Now let's move to next topic. Patterns in 2D and 3D. 2D means 2-dimensional and 3D means 3-dimensional. So here are some figures comes under 2-directional. Like this is rectangle, this is square, this is circle, this is triangle. Right. So what is the area of rectangle? It will be L into B. And what is the perimeter? Perimeter is summation of all of the sides. So 2L plus B. Area of square, A square, and perimeter is 4A. Area of circle, pi r square, and perimeter is 2 pi r. Area of triangle, half into base into height. What is the perimeter? Summation of all these 3. So what type of question you will get in this topic? Like there is a rectangle made up of a copper wire. Okay, length is given, breadth is given. Now this rectangle is changed in the form of circle. Now tell me the radius of that circle. There will mostly be the question from figure change, rectangle to circle, or this cylinder to sphere, like this. That's why you need to know about the area and perimeter of these figures. Okay, and in 3-dimensional, there will not be area, there will be volume. And 2 type of area will be there: total surface area and surface area. Surface area is also called curved surface area. Curved surface area means the area of this thing, the curved part, and total surface area means the curved part plus this area and this area also. So this is cylinder with radius r and height h. What is the volume? Pi r square h. And what is the curved surface area? It is 2 pi r h. Now what is the total surface area? Area of these 2 plus curved surface area means 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. You can take 2 pi r common, so the area will be r plus h. In a sphere, volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube and surface area is 4 pi r square. There is no curved surface area or total surface area. There is only one area, that is 4 pi r square. This is called cone. The volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Curved surface area is pi r l. L is this length height. Okay, and total surface area will be this pi r l plus pi r square. Pi r square plus pi r l. Mostly volume formula will be in use, but you should know all these formulas. Let's take first question. A wire is in the form of square of side 11 centimeter. Okay, 11 centimeter is the side. It is a square, all sides are same, and is cut and again bent in the form of circle. Okay, what is the perimeter of this? This is 44, summation of all these. And what is the perimeter of this circle? It will be the same, right? Because the wire is same. So it is 2 pi r equal to 44. We have to find out the radius of the circle. So it is 2 into 22 by 7 into r equal to 44. This 44 will cancel out. R equal to 7 centimeter is the answer. So what we use here, the formula of perimeter of a square, perimeter of circle. So you should know the formulas of perimeter and area. Next question. A piece of wire 25 cm long is bent into an arc of a circle subtending an angle of 75 degree. Okay, this is an arc subtending an angle of 75 degree and the radius of the circle is. I need to find out the radius of the circle. Length of wire is given 25 cm. It means this length of wire would be 25 cm, right? And we know perimeter of circle, or you can say circumference of circle, is 2 pi r, and this total subtend angle of 360 degree, right? So what is the length of this? It will be 75 divided by 360 into 2 pi r, and it is given, that is 25. Now solve it. 25 3 is 75, 120, 60, r equal to 60 upon pi means 22 by 7, 420 by 22. Answer will be approx 19 cm. Next question. This is a question of GATE 2018. A wire will enclose an area of 1936 meter square. If it is bent to a square, it means area of square is what? A square, which is given 1936. The wire is cut into two pieces. Okay, the longer piece is thrice as long as the shorter piece. Okay, two pieces are there. This is longer, this is shorter. If this is L, this is 3L. The long and the short piece are bent into a square and a circle. This long piece is in the square and it's in the circle. Which of the following choices is closest to the sum of areas enclosed by these two pieces in square meters? Okay, I have to find out the area. Suppose the side of the square is S, so I have to find out S square plus, if the radius is R, pi r square, the value of this. Okay, and this is a square of 44, so the value of A will be 44. So what is the length of wire? Length will be 4A, so the total length of wire is 44 into 4. This is the total length of wire. Now this is cut into two pieces, 3L and L, means the length of this one is 44 into 3 and length of this one is 44. It means this is 44 and this is 44 into 3. So now we can calculate the S. S is what? 4S equal to 44 into 3. So S is what? 33. Okay, we have to put the value of S here. And R, 2 pi r equal to L means 44. So r equal to what? 7. So we have to put the value of r here. So if S is 33, the value of S square will be 1089 and r is 7. So what is the value of pi r square? 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. It will be 154. So what is the answer? 1243. C is the answer. Easy question. First of all, a wire is given in the square form. So we know the length of wire is equal to the perimeter of the square. So we get the length of wire, that is 44 into 4. Now this length is divided into two parts. First part is 44 into 3 and other is 44. This part forms a circle and this part forms a square. So we can calculate the side of a square and radius of the circle, then the area of both of them. This will be the answer. Next question. Question number 43. A rectangular sheet of length 6 cm and breadth 4 cm is coiled to form an open cylinder. Okay, we have a rectangular sheet here. Length is 6 cm and breadth is 4 cm and this is coiled forming a cylinder such that the breast side meets. It means we have to fold it like this. This side meet, it means it will be 4 only, and the circumference of this circle and this circle will be 6. So what is 2 pi r here? It will be 6 if this one is r. Okay, this cylinder is called P. The same sheet can also be coiled to form a cylinder Q such that length sides meet. Okay, if the length side meet, then the circle will be like this. Circumference of this one will be 4. It will be like this. If this is R2, so 2 pi R2 is 4 and this length is 6 if this is R1 and this cylinder is Q. Which one of the following statement is false? Surface area of the open cylinders P and Q are equal. So what is the surface area for P? It is 2 pi R1H and for Q it is 2 pi R2H, right? We have the value of 2 pi R1, that is 6, into H, that is 4. 2 pi R2 value of 4 and H value is 6. So this is same. So this is right. Volume of P and volume of Q are equal. So volume of P will be pi R square H, means pi R1 square H, or here pi R2 square H. This H is 4 and this H is 6. Pi R2 square is what? 4 by 2 pi square, and R1 square is what? 6 by 2 pi square. So the value of these both will not be equal. You can see, or you can solve also. It will be 36 divided by 4 pi into 4 and 16 divided by 4 pi into 6. 4 will be cancelled out. This 4. 24 divided by pi, and this is 36 divided by pi. This is not equal. So this is the answer, because it is asking for the false statement. B option is correct. Next question. For a regular polygon having 10 sides, the interior angle between the sides of the polygon is. There is a direct formula of interior angle for a regular polygon, that is n minus 2 into 180 degree. This is the sum of all the angles, and what is the value of one angle? N minus 2 into 180 divided by n. So we have 10 sides, n is side, so 8 into 180 divided by 10. We have 18 into 144. D is the answer. You can remember this formula by triangle. As you know, the sum of interior angle of a triangle is 180. So 3 minus 2 is 1. It will be 180. It's a easy formula. You can remember this. Next question. Question number 45. It's a good question. Consider a square sheet of side 1 unit. Okay. Side 1 unit. In the first step, it is cut along the main diagonal to get two triangles. It means it is cut from here. We will get two triangles. Side with 1, and this is what? Root 2. One of the cut triangles, suppose this one, is revolved around its short edge to form a solid cone. So I am considering this one is the short edge. Can I draw it like this? This is 1, this is 1, and this is root 2. Because these one have 90 degree here. It was a square. Okay. Now I am revolving it around this side. So I will have a cone like this. Right. The radius of this cone will be 1 and height is also 1. So the volume of the resulting cone. What is the volume? 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 22 by 7. R is 1. H is 1. Answer is in the form of pi. So answer will be pi by 3. A is the answer. Now move to next topic. Cubes and dices. Cube is just a 3D version of a square. Like your room is in the form of cuboid. If all the height of your room are equal, then it will become a cube. Okay. And dice is also a cube with some number printed on it. We will understand this by this question. A wooden cube is painted blue on all the 4 adjoining sides and green on 2 opposite sides. That is top and bottom. Means top and bottom, this side and opposite to this side are green, and all the 4 sides are blue. It is then cut at equal distances at right angles 4 times vertically top to bottom. So this is 1 time, 2 time, 3 time and 4 time. This is vertical cuts and 2 time horizontal cuts. Okay, and 2 times horizontally along the sides as shown in the figure. Now we have to answer these questions. So question number 46. How many cubes will have one face painted only in blue? Only one face is painted. This cube have 3 faces painted. This one and this opposite one. This also have 2, this one and this one. Only this face is painted only 1 time. In this also, this face is painted 1 time. This face is painted 1 time. So how many faces are there? 1, 2, 3 and 3 are in opposite. So total 6 faces are painted 1 time, but it is asking only 1 time but in the blue. So only 4 faces that are in the only blue and 1 face painted. Question number 47. How many cubes will have 1 face painted only in green? So 2 faces, right? how many cubes are formed in all? How many total cubes are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are 9 cubes, and this type of 3 layers I have. This is one, this is second layer, and this is third layer. 3 layers I have. 9 into 3, this is 27. So total number of cubes are 27. How many cubes will have at least 3 sides painted? Obviously these corner cubes have 3 sides painted. So how many corners are there? 8 corners. How many cubes will have no face painted at all? So you already know, we first painted this cube and then we cut this cube. It means how many cubes will be there which are not painted? So there will be cube in this middle layer. And how many cubes? These cubes are painted and the bottom cubes are also painted. These cubes are also painted. Only one cube in the center is not painted. So D is the answer. You have to visualize all the cubes, then you can solve these questions. Let's take a gate question on that. A cube is built using 64 cubic blocks of side 1 unit. After it is built, 1 cubic block is removed from every corner of the cube. The resulting surface area of the body after the removal. If this is a cube, what is the surface area of this? 6a square, as there are 6 surfaces and everyone has the area a square. But we have removed 8 cubes from all the corners. Okay. So now, what is the total surface area of this figure now? So first of all, you should understand, if there are 64 cubic blocks, it means 4 will be here and 4 in this and 4 layers. So these all length will be 4. Okay. So before removal, what was the area? 6 into 4 square, that is 96. Now understand one thing. Will the area be changed? You removed a cube here. You remove a cube from here. It means you remove 3 surfaces. But when you remove the 3 surfaces, there will be next 3 surfaces will be visible. So the total surface area, if we talk about the total surface, it means it will be the same because there will be no change in the surface area. If the 3 faces are removed of a small cube, then other 3 faces will appear. So the surface area will not change. This is the answer. Next question. Question number 52. 2 positions of a dice are shown, position 1 and 2. Which number will appear on the face opposite to the face with the number 5? Okay. 2 positions are given of a dice. Okay. We have to find out what is the number opposite to this 5. Means on this face, what will be the number? So whenever 2 positions or more than 2 positions are given, if there is one number is common, like in this case 3 is common, just put this number and move in one direction, either clockwise or anti-clockwise. I am moving in this direction. So 3, then 5, then 1. So you have to move in the same direction in the another dice also. So it will be 3, 6 and 2. You will get these numbers will be opposite to each other, like 5 is opposite to 6. So what is the number opposite to 5? That is 6. 1 is opposite to 2 and 3 is opposite to 4 because 4 is only remaining number. Okay. Now question number 53. 2 positions of a dice are shown. How many points will appear on the opposite to the face containing 5 points? Okay. But in this figure, this 2 and this 1, this 2 and 1, 2 points are common. If 1 point is common, then you have to use this method. If 2 points are common, just cut these points and the remaining one will be opposite to each other. So 5 points are opposite to 4 points. So how many points the opposite face will contain? 4 points. This is the answer. In the 2 positions, if only one face is common, then you have to use this rotation approach. If 2 are common, then just cut these 2, you will get the opposite number. That's it. In topic dice, these are the only 2 concepts, 1 and 2. Let's solve some more questions. Question number 54. Which number is on the face opposite to 6? So from this, 6 and 2 both are common. So 3 is opposite to 4. Okay. And from this and this, 6 and 4 are common. So 2 is opposite to 5. So what is remaining? 1 is and 6. So 1 is opposite to 6. 1 is the answer. Or you can also tell the answer by directly with this and this. 2 and 4 will be cancelled out. And 1 and 6 will be opposite to each other. Question number 55. Opposite to face A. So with these figure, C and E are common here. A and D are opposite to each other. So A is opposite to D. Now question number 56. In this type of question, you have to make the dice, which is the possible dice can be made with this figure. So how many faces you can see in a dice in this figure? Always 3 faces. You can see always 3 faces. It means these 3 faces will not be opposite to each other, right? And in this type of figure, this thing is opposite to this is opposite to this one, and this is opposite to this. And you can clearly see this shaded one and this point one are not opposite to each other. It means they will be on the adjacent faces. So 1 is the answer. Why 2 is not the answer? Because these 2 blank faces are adjacent. In this, 2 blank faces are opposite and this face is opposite to this blank face. So only this blank face can be adjacent to this face. But here are 2 blank faces adjacent to this face, so it is not the answer. Same here, it is not the answer because 2 blank faces are adjacent to this face. That is not possible. Same in this option. So this is the answer. Question number 57. This face and this face will be opposite to each other. These faces will be opposite to each other and these faces will be opposite to each other. Then find out which one is the possible dice. Do it on your own. Question number 58. These both are opposite to each other. These both are opposite to each other and this one are opposite to each other. So find out the possible dice which can be made by this figure. In 59, these both are opposite. These alternates are opposite. Try to solve them on your own. If you don't get the answer, then please tell me in the comment section. I will clear your doubt there. Okay. Now next topic. Assembling of an image. Some pieces of image are given. You have to assemble them and you have to see which image can be formed by assembling these pieces. So in figure 1, you can see this part is same as this part and this one is same as this one and this one is same as this one. So this is the answer. And yes, you can rotate these pieces. After rotating, you can assemble them and form an image. Next question. If I try to find this piece, I think I am not able to find this piece in this figure. But in figure 2, this is the same piece. Then this one, this piece is here. Right, and these pieces is not here, so I don't think this is the answer. In this is the same piece. Okay, this piece is here, this one, this piece is here, right, and the last piece, this one is here. This is the answer. In this question, this is the answer. You can clearly see this. Now next question. This is a gate question. A jigsaw puzzle has 2 pieces. One of the pieces shown above, this one. Which one of the given option for the missing piece when assembled will form a rectangle? The piece can be moved, rotated, flipped or assembled with the above piece. You have to fix this piece in one of them, then it will form a rectangle. So I am moving this piece from here. I am trying to put it on each of the options so that I can clearly see whether this fits here or not. It's not fit here. Let's move this here. It will not fit here also. In this option, yes, it will fit here. This shape is here, this is here, this is here, this is here, this will fit here, and this will fit here, and this will here. So option B is the answer. In this also, you have to rotate it and fit it. You have to draw this piece on a paper sheet with rotation like this. Then you have to find out which one is the correct option. Okay, so your special aptitude topic can be concluded here. Each and every topic has been covered thoroughly. If you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.